welcome to another video. And as usual, before I get started, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe if you're new to this content. And to my current subscribers, I appreciate you guys more now. Let's just get right to it. So we know the price of Bitcoin actually went all the way up to roughly 48,000, and now as the time of making this video, Bitcoin price actually fell down to 43,000. Solana's at $95, Ethereum is around the $2,500 mark. I know a lot of you guys saw the thumbnail, why am I buying more Bitcoin? And I'll tell you guys the reason why. Given the fact that there are multiple investment companies, roughly asset management companies, that are vouching to be the leader of the spot ETF provider, only a few of those companies are actually going to survive. And as a person that's actually invested in the S&P 500, you do have your brokers that are reaching out to you to ask if you want to get involved. And, just tell them, say, hey, guys, I'm already involved in crypto. And I feel as if there's only going to be a few of those asset management companies that's going to lead the pack, and a lot of the other ones probably just going to fade away because they're not going to have the market share, given the fact that a lot of those different spot ETF asset management companies, they have different fees they're going to go ahead and charge. Like BlackRock is roughly at 25%. We have Grayscale is right around the roughly about 1%, which is actually really good. And we do know that Coinbase is going to be the custodian. The reason why I'm going to go ahead and buy even more Bitcoin, I'm actually going to leave my investment in, which would have flipped over at the 48,000, is because as more and more time goes on, it's going to become more mainstream. Yes, this pullback is dramatic, and I'm going to explain the reason why there's a pullback. But as digital currencies start to evolve even more and more investors start to come in, Bitcoin is actually going to gradually move. This retracement is actually causing a little bit of a fear. And what is causing Bitcoin to fall back is what is known as the GPTC. A lot of people are actually, the GPTC is a form of a spot ETF that a lot of people are actually converting to Bitcoin and actually going ahead and selling it on Coinbase. GPTC is the one that Grayscale actually owned, their spot ETF. And as a result of all the selling that's happening, it's causing a little bit of a fear in the market. And as a result, roughly about, from what I'm seeing, it's roughly about $180 million worth of Bitcoin was actually sold, which definitely you saw an impact from 40,000 all the way down to 44. And at the time of making this video, the price can maybe fall as low, below the $43,000 mark. And given the fact that the price of Bitcoin is starting to fall, then the retailers would then go ahead and it will create a little bit of a fear, and they're going to go ahead and sell again. And this is the reason why I'm going to go ahead and leave my funds in. I'm actually now going to go ahead and pull some reserve funds and actually going to go ahead and double down on Bitcoin, because I do see a future here with Bitcoin, as well as I'm actually going to triple down on Ethereum, because Ethereum, even though they don't have their spot ETF yet, we do understand that Grayscale did apply. Now, they all got the Bitcoin spot ETF, but the Ethereum spot ETF has not been approved. I'm going to go ahead and double down on Ethereum as well. So when that time does come, the anticipation of the Ethereum ETF being approved, I might go ahead and buy the rumor and sell the news around that point. So this is actually going to be my strategy and the way in which I'm going to go ahead and do this, because we all know with multiple different providers out there, yes, Grayscale will probably be around, ARK Investment will probably still be around. We know JP Morgan want nothing to do with it, okay? But they will basically fizzle out. And somebody's going to be the leader of the pack at that one place where you can go ahead and add Bitcoin to your portfolio. So this is the reason why I'm taking my stand now. So for those of you guys, you like to understand, like, share, subscribe. I am a savvy investor. For those of you that don't know, I'm just not a computer guy that actually work with computers all the way through, from software development all the way down. I like to make money. And I'm sure you guys like to make money as well. Yes, from time to time, you guys will see me talk about meme tokens, etc. Because meme tokens do make money. And every now and then I'll support different meme tokens. And the meme tokens right now that are considered the blue chip of all blue chip memes is Bunk, Snack, and the other one that I actually don't remember the name, I think it's Myor, M-Y-O-R, that those are the ones that are actually turning out money. And yes, I do have a good position on those blue chip meme tokens as well. Every now and then I'll go ahead and endorse a meme. But the thing is that a lot of the memes, even though I'll endorse them, they have a very, very short shelf life. And the shelf life is that, sometimes I'm trying to go ahead and help the communities that, hey, let's go ahead and try to revive you guys' meme token. A lot of the community are already discouraged. A lot of them already got wrecked. They don't want nothing to do with the token. So as a result, they don't really get involved. And then I find myself being the only one marketing the token. So I'm going to do a little bit of a readjustment here, because really and truly, I'm going to focus where my money is actually returning an investment for me. And if I see a meme token that's actually making a really, really good name for himself, I'll put in the group membership, because right now I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum, because those are the tokens that I see long term. You know, when investing, yes, you can get that quick turnaround. And yes, I'm looking at Bunk right now. There's a nice little retracement going on. And I might go ahead and double down on that as well, because a 12% retracement is actually really good, because on that 12% retracement, they normally go up roughly about 30%. And then I go ahead and take profit again. And then when it comes down again, I go ahead and do it as well. So when you guys hear me say, hey, I make between $300 to $600 a week on crypto, it's not only just on memes. It's me doing what is known as swing trading. It is a strategy that a lot of guys that have came from the stock market doing option trading, this is what we do. And we do study the market. Yes, I do work remote. I'm a computer guy. I have 2 laptops here. And you know, you have to be really, really savvy. If you want to make money, guys, you have to learn to burn the midnight oil. You have to go ahead and grind. You have to know that if you really want to be successful, you're going to be tired while you're working. I actually have 2 remote jobs, and one is staggered between the other. And I know how to maneuver between those particular jobs, that I'm able to be providing enough effort on one job as well as the rest, as well as do these YouTube videos, as well as go ahead and invest in different type of investment, real estate, etc. And, you know, do the stock market and crypto as well. Because why? I enjoy making money. And if you guys want to follow my journey, if you guys want to make money as well, you have to stay hungry. You have to want to make money, not just try to come in and make a few dollars overnight. This is not going to be the strategy for you. I am here to make money for the long game, so I can sit back and relax and make money from time in and time out, because I like to see money grow. I know what it's like not to have money, but I sure as heck know what it's like to have money, and nobody's going to catch me down or destituted financially, because I am always going to be prepared. And this is the reason why I started doing the YouTube channels, because I'm trying to see if I can teach you guys some of the same methodology that I've actually developed over the roughly years of working with money and trying to understand finance and actually making the finance work for me, and taking that knowledge that I have and applying it to crypto. And I'm seeing that the same methods still apply. There's no rhyme or reason on how to make money. If you just analyze the numbers and reason to see what's happening, no, you cannot predict the market. Then you will eventually see some sort of pattern. Yes, of course, the traditional patterns, if a new token comes out, it's going to moon right away. There's going to be a massive retracement. But if there's a strong community, the community who believes in the project, they're going to go ahead and revive it. That's what happened with Bunk. That's what happened with Snack. That's what happened with SHIB, as well as the Pepe tokens. This is what happened, and this is how you make money. You have to stick with it. You have to play the long game. And most of the tokens or meme tokens that I talk about, you know, those are not really long games. Now, the tokens, every now and then, I'm going to go ahead and revisit a few tokens that I've talked about, and these are going to be 100% free to all those people that are watching the video. I will do a recap individually on every single one of those tokens, because I want to see what you guys are made of, to see if you guys were able to sustain and how resilient your project is if you guys are really serious about making money. And yes, I did see a few that actually started to fall aside the way, but I will revisit those tokens. And if those tokens are doing good, you better believe it, they're going to get a very, very dedicated video. But right now, I'm focused on Bitcoin, because I see monies to be made. I see there's fear. A lot of people are selling. Yes, it does not look good. We really anticipated that Bitcoin would have been around the $50, $60, $70, $80,000 mark. But hey guys, people are taking profit. People are actually selling. A lot of people made money off Bitcoin. And as a result, we will see a little bit of a slippage as it pertains to the price. The same thing going for Solana, being down to $95. But Ethereum is now at $2,500. Given the fact that Ethereum was struggling in the bear market, I have always had Ethereum. I have been dollar cost averaging on Ethereum from the time when it started to slip, because I played the long game and I knew that I was going to get to this price. And guys, I am in the money with these profits. So if you guys look, if you want to continue to watch the strategy in which I use, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, share, subscribe, and become a member in a part of my channel is in the description. In addition, I'm being supported by an exchange, so as part of affiliate marketing. I'm not going to reveal the name yet until we actually figure out all the details, because they really do like what I'm talking about here. And I'm excited to be affiliated with this exchange. And I will be doing a referral link in there that you guys can go ahead and make money as well. Because the minute you start making money, you get excited and you want to make more money. But you have to be really, really careful with making money, because FOMO is real. A lot of people tend to over leverage when they go ahead and invest in anything. And as a result, you get wrecked. And this is what I'm trying to do, to actually do a YouTube channel that focus on investing smart, a way in which you can not overextend yourself, you can mitigate risk, and this is how you're going to be able to survive. So right now, my number one goal is to make as much money as I can in crypto, but Bitcoin being my primary focus. It has always been my blue chip. It's in the 80th percentile of my blue chip. I am right there in the money with it. My other 20% are meme. I'm not gonna flip the switch and focus on my 80%, because these are the ones that are gonna take me into retirement. The meme tokens are gonna be like the fast cars that I'm gonna go ahead and entertain every now and then, take them around the track, see if I can make a few $1,000s. We can make those few $1,000s again. I'm gonna go ahead and definitely update the membership group of a token I'm looking at, and maybe, who knows, I may not go ahead and publicize those tokens. It might just be exclusive to the members. Say, hey, this is a token you guys can go ahead and take a run at. And I may not go ahead and do that video, because that may be reserved for only the members, because I know if tokens are going to be coming on a pre-sale. I do have a lot of developers that are reaching out to me and say, hey, I really like your work. I want you to go ahead and talk with my token. And I'm probably going to be charging those people. I'm probably going to be charging those people going forward. And I will talk with the pre-sale, but that will be available to my exclusive members only. I will continue to talk about Bitcoin, but if I see that token start to really make a really, really good and big name for itself, I would then go ahead and bring it out on Twitter and say you guys need to get involved with it. So this is what I'm bringing to you guys today. This is January. 2024. You know, a lot of us have goals on New Year's resolution on what we want to do. I hope it's making more money. I would hope that it is, that's even one of the 10 that's on your list. I don't know a person who say, I really do want to make money. I know I do want to make money, and I know the majority of you guys want to make money as well. But let's do it the most smartest way possible, because you have to be on your A game every time. Don't just take the answer, take it from me. I want you guys to do your research as well, because I can tell you guys right now, I'm going to always make sure that I am prepared for the storm. No matter what is going to happen, I'm going to make sure I have monies in the back, that I can go debt free, that I can withstand years of not working. And I want to teach you guys how to go ahead and stack your money. And if you stack your money constantly in these investments that I'm talking about, you guys can get to the point where you can be financially secured, and you can be to the point where you can actually take your foot off the gas and actually fetch. So until I see you guys again, I hope you guys had an excellent week. For those of you that are investing in Bitcoin, and you're seeing the price go down, hey, not financial advice. This is when your dollar cost average on Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum, and the meme tokens like Bonk right now, as well as Maya or SNEC. These are the ones that you might want to go ahead and put to your 20%. Those are the rock solid ones that I have billions of Bonk, billions of Maya, and billions of SNEC, that the minute those move, I make money as well, and I take roughly $1,000 profit every 2 weeks of those tokens. So I want you guys to get to that point we can do as well. Like, share, spread the video around. This is a realignment of this channel. I know I've been bringing you guys so many meme tokens, and some of those meme tokens have been cooling off a little fast. So yes, this is going to be a little bit of pullback. We're going to talk about actually starting to make money. So until I see you guys again, you guys have a wonderful day, and peace.